Good afternoon, Osoberry children. I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to make you a video of the book that we've been talking about, the counting book with all the neat nature pictures in it, because it's hard to show you on Zoom, and I thought it might be fun to just let you see all the pictures at once. So here's this book. It's called One is One by Tasha Tudor. I'm going to read it to you and show you the pretty animal pictures and plant pictures as we go. And maybe, if you want, you'll be inspired to make your own counting book sometime. Here we go. One is one duckling swimming in a dish. Two is two sisters making a wish. Three is three swallows up in the sky. Four is four sheep nibbling rye. Five is five eggs in a pretty round nest. Six is six children all dressed in their best. Seven is seven apples on a little apple tree. Apples. Seven apples. And there's the apple tree. Eight is eight daffodils you are picking for me. Nine is nine red cherries on a white china plate.
China.
That's what it's made out of, Jed. There's a chipmunk eating them. We'll talk about it later.
Is it China?
10 is 10 numbers Tom has written on his slate. Eleven is 11 girls dancing in a ring. Twelve is 12 baby birds learning how to sing. And there are the baby birds. Thirteen is 13 candles upon a birthday cake. There's the cake. Look at all those candles. 14 is 14 mallard ducks swimming on a lake. Fifteen is 15 roses being made into a wreath. 16 is 16 rabbits playing on a heath.
Hey, that's not saying. Cute.
I know, they are cute. It's a lot of rabbits. 17 is 17 gourds. See them? Hanging up to dry. Is 18 stars twinkling in the sky. Because it's nighttime. 19 is 19 flowers that little Jane has drawn. And 20 is 20 geese flying towards the dawn.
I didn't see it.
I love that story because there's so many things like daffodils and sparrows and ducks and geese and all the lovely things that we saw when we were visiting the Children's Arboretum with our kindergarten class. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll be back in a little bit with another one.